Okie dokie. So, have you ever wanted to make your own proxy but don't know which one to use? Well, I'm going to give you very many options. This can be done on Windows or like anything as long as you have VS Code or something, or like CMD or whatever. But this is probably the most simplest tutorial to do because I have all the stuff right here, and these are links for this. So if I want to get Doge, go right here. That's Doge. Well, yeah. First one we're going to do Froggy's Arcade, and all we have to do is run this thingy right here, git clone. So once you type that in, just wait for it to hit 100% on everything. It should, and then there should be a file like this. It won't be named this, it'll just be named v3 or something, but I renamed it to be this. And all you have to do is run npm-i, which installs it. I mean, you might have to, I just have this because I have a bunch of these, but let me do this in, I'll show you Froggy's Arcade v3 skib. Oh, Froggy's Arcade v3 skib. Alright, so now I'm in here. All you have to do is do npm-i. Already did, so it's gonna look different. You want to do cd static. Once you're in static, you want to do npm-i again to install npm in there, and you want to go back a directory. Oops. You're gonna go back into there like that, and you want to ensure that it's installed in there in the static folder. Why did I put that twice? Well, after that, all you just want to do to run it is do node src slash index.js. What this does is gonna run this file right here, which is the proxy thing. That's all that is. So once you press that, it should all work. Go to your localhost, and yeah, I changed this up a bit so there's no Discord button or like there, but I also made that my name. But you can literally do anything. Like google.com. Boom, Google works. I don't think my website will work because it's not like really official. Yeah, that won't work. But this one's probably going to be the fastest proxy you have out there because it's super fast. Let me try one of my friend's website. Maybe. Okay, well, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's all you have to do. If you want to cancel this, just press Control C on your keyboard. Next one is RammerHead, which is like a browser inside a browser. It's pretty easy. Just do git clone, and you want to move to the directory, which is like whatever folder. If you didn't do it in a folder and you dragged it out, you're probably already in it. And then what you want to do is install it and just build it, which is just copy and pasting these commands into here, and starting the server by just doing that. So I'm just gonna head into the directory right here. That's not how I spell it. Alright, and once you start the server by doing like the same command, server.js is different. It's gonna do all this funny stuff. Right here is your localhost, so once you click that, it's gonna pop up in your browser. I forgot what password I set here, but you're gonna press create session. Okay, well, it's not that. Then it's gonna be, if you don't know the password, I believe it is in I believe it's like something Shark. No, it's not gonna be public. Let me find this real quick. I'm getting the password as we speak. Shark Life. There we go. Password is Shark Life. Right, Shark Life for life. We're just gonna go to Google. Oh yeah, my website actually works on this one, which is actually kind of crazy. And just press go. Okay, never mind, not my website. We're gonna google.com. I don't believe now.gg works on this, but all I know is like Fortnite, GeForce. I know that this one works. Well, right now because my local host is being stupid and just stopped, but yeah, that one works. For the next one is, let's see here. Yeah, Interstellar. This one's gonna have ads, so if you don't want if you want the one without ads, do git clone ad free and then followed by this link. I think so. That's what you're supposed to do, or it's not supposed to be git. Oh, there's no git. Weird. Well, all you gotta do is do that command. If it doesn't work, then put the .git at the end. Run npm I. I'm just gonna go into the thingy real quick. Interstellar dash add dash free. I just named it that. It's gonna be different for you. I want to do npm I, then just npm run start, and that should bring up boom starting. None of the funny business, just straight to the point. What this does, boom, you got all your stuff. You got your games, you got your apps. You can also go in tabs, but the really cool thing is, boom, blah. You can get a tab cloaker, do anything. Because my school uses securely. I don't know about you guys, but mine does. I would just go to, well, I'm just going to do Schoology because that's simple. Boom, Schoology.com. Save. You can set a background image, set your search engine. I would recommend ultraviolet, don't change that. Change the theme, panic button, so if I press that button on here, it will just bring me to that site, like whatever site you put there. If you want about blank, I'll put it in about blank, so just say this, and then boom, it'll just go into that, and it won't go in your history, so that's how it blocks teachers from blocking your site. What the tab system is just literally this, so you can go to any site, you can create new tabs and stuff, and go home. It's literally the same thing as typing in here, but like having tabs, it brings you the same thing. No, not same thing, dang it. Well, that's basically that. That is that one. Control C to stop it. Yes. And the last one is Doge v4. Just do git clone that, same thing. And I'm just gonna get into that. Doge v4. Do and then just do npm I to install npm start, and now we just start it. So it's gonna do this. You can join the Discord if you want to. It has many unblocking things like, let's see here. It also gives you tutorials on how to do it on all these. Vercel is easiest, or GitHub. I don't know about the other two. I tried. I desperately failed, but got some GBTs. Bypasses. This is where I learned lots of bypasses. Pretty simple. You get some links, download websites you could do by doing that. I don't know if this works, but start process. Oh man, it doesn't work for mine. Now.gg. I think it downloads like every single file, so you can just boom. Let me extract. See if this works. Let's see if I can claim my secret. No, it just downloads the main page, but hey, it works, kind of. But for now, we're doing all this. After you've done that npm I, then npm start. I think we already did that. This shows the version, which is up to date, I think, as of today. Maybe, I don't know. But you got all your apps. Now.gg does not work because it does not allow proxies, but Fortnite works, I think. You got your settings, kind of all the same stuff as Interstellar. Boom. If you don't want to be that, just do Google. Boom. Take it off. It's Doge before Google. Open about blank. So if you do that, no history. Games. It has most of these games. Not much, but you can still type anything in like google.com. If you want to access the tab system, I think you just do. Yeah, you press the file button. Create a new tab if you wanna. You can either open this new tab about blank, it opens up, just takes a while to load. Full screen's it. You can do dev tools. If you couldn't already do inspect, the same thing as what it does. Gets all the elements, has everything. I don't think console really works. No, it doesn't. That's that. You can also hide the bar. You gotta refresh to get back. There's no real way to get back unless you like delete this and go to there. If you want their GitHub, this is where I got the thingy. Yeah, there's 6 people help me this. This is the main person, which is Fountain, which is that person. Boom, see that person. He makes cool stuff, kind of, sometimes. Most of these unblockers are powered by Ultraviolet, which is a very good blocking network. Yeah, they got their own. See, they got their own server. But well, in conclusion, this is all you need to know about all that. These are all these that you need. I tried installing other ones, but it didn't really work, so I just cut that out. I'll put this all in the comments, so yeah, like, subscribe, and everything. For more tutorials, it's pretty good. Adios.